Hello, it's Paul from dronesgetter.com, and I wanted to say that a few days ago DJI released kind of a new version for the Tello. It's more of a facelift if you ask me. It's called Iron Man and it's obviously made to capitalize on the soon-to-come Avengers Endgame movie. The drone seems to be exactly the same when it comes to performance, but strangely enough, even though it's just a facelift, they did increase the price on the official website. However, you will be getting a new app. Well, it's more of a facelift again for the app. It just looks different, but it does the same things. I must say I expected it to have at least an LED or something new instead of just the paint on it. But even so, for the hardcore Marvel fans, I think this might be a good buy for their personal collection. I personally won't buy it because I already have my Tello. But if you don't have a Tello yet and you are an Iron Man fan, just like I am, you could consider buying it. If you still don't know what the Tello can do, I will show you a few sample videos and photos to see if the drone itself delivers on your expectations. You can check the full review of it over here. Thanks for watching, and please leave some feedback down below in the comments and tell me what you think about this new Tello version, and if you have checked my drone finding tool, please give me some feedback on that too. See ya later, alligator!